Why are we laying down like worms?
I like laying down like worms.
I wish we were gummy worms. Gummy worms. Now I want gummy worms.
No, not gummy worms.
Yeah, gummy bears. Oh, how about lollipops? Werther's Originals. Ew, that's old people candy. I'm bored. Yeah, I wish we had real candy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, all we got is that button. What button? That button. Ooh, button.
It says no on it, so I don't think we should press it.
I'm gonna touch it first. I think we gotta follow him. Here we go. No time like the present.
I still want candy.